Say hello. What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. I'm not talking to you dogs, okay? Anyway, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I'm back in the backyard about to do this raised bed. As you all saw, Rain and I, oh my lovely Rain, we came out and put the dirt in the raised bed, let it sit for about a week, and now it's time to put some goodies in the garden. And this one is interesting because I have seeds from various places. Like I have squash from the Dollar Tree. I have the bell pepper. It's actually from Amazon. And then I have the sweet corn and the Brussels sprouts from Walmart. So in this bed, there will be Walmart products, Amazon products, and Dollar Tree products. And there's no rhyme or reason why I did what I did in purchasing my seeds from the various locations. But at the end of the day, I purchased what I needed. And I did purchase what's going to go in this bed. So that's what we're going to do today. I was going to wait on Rain, but I decided I want to get stuff done fast. And, but anyway, you know, I have her out for something else. I'm about to do this bed. And what I'm going to do something a little interesting, if it turns out the way I have it mentally, is that I'm going to grow the corn on the back. So the way I'm going to do this bed is I'm going to do everything from north to south. North to south. So planning that way, as opposed to this one is, it is north to south too, so yeah. The other ones are east to west, so maybe that's why. Wait, no, this one's going to be north to south, meaning from this way to this way. This one is north to south too. Anyway, the moral of the story is I'm doing something fun, and what I'm doing is I'm going to put corn on the back, bell peppers next to it, and my idea, everybody say idea is that as the bell peppers grow, they can grow along the stem of the corn. Why not? So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. If y'all have some like interesting gardening tips or tricks, comment below. Go ahead and do that because, you know, I just be out here trying stuff. Mentally trying stuff, coming with ideas, and with the backyard and opportunities, I get to make those ideas come to pass. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe. As y'all know, we're on the way to 100,000 subscribers, and your subscription helps us to get there. So go ahead and do that before you finish the video. Just scroll down, hit the red button. Thank you. And go ahead and scroll back up. Thank you very much. Thank you. Y'all give them applause. Give them applause. Thank you. We love you. Thank you for joining the family. Anyway, as you all know, I do the row, water it, seed it, close the row, and then water the whole thing at the end of the whole shebang. So that's what I'll do, because that's what I do when I come out here, put seeds in the garden, because I want stuff to grow, okay? I want stuff to look like that. Look at that. That thing looks so nice. Oh, got to be more careful. And that one looks pretty good too. The other ones? Anyway, it's not what this is about. It's about this one. Let's do it! And just like that, beautiful people, that's it. That's all it took. That's all it took. And I got my homies. Let's see. I know you can't see them. But anyway, so now it's just the watering. Just the water, you know, above it all. Well, let me just turn it on shower mode just to make more impact, you know what I mean? And just, yeah, just water after that. Just water the fruit of your labor. And that's it, man. You don't want it like super soaked, but you want it to be wet. So I don't know if you noticed, but as I was putting the seeds down in the row, I was putting down some, okay, my kids are home. They are yelling so loud right now. Look at this. Say hello. Say hey. Anything else you want to say? All right, say bye-bye. Okay. Wow. Love my kids' enthusiasm. Gotta love it. Gotta make it smile. Anyway, as I was saying, I was putting down eggshells, which of course is great for your garden. It provides nitrogen, which helps to build it up, makes it grow nice and strong and all that good stuff. So make sure you put some eggshells in your garden and you compost, all that good stuff. But I just tried something different this time. I just laced the rows with eggshells. So something different that I did in this raised bed that I didn't do in any other ones. But like I said, I mean, I'm just trying stuff. Like, I really am. This is my first go around, so I'm trying things out to see what works, see what things don't work, see what things I can do better next time, or things I need to repeat next time. So y'all are on for the journey with me. Be on the lookout for how this bed grows. And as you can see, I do have like a row available, which I'll probably use to put like my cucumbers and things like that may be overcrowded on a row. I'll just plant them over there just to make everything okay. Anyway, love you all, thank you all, and like I said, go ahead and subscribe, man. We on the way to 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, 100,000 subscribers, and we're trying to get there fast, okay? So with your help, your friends, your subscription, and the others, these kids are something else. We can get there fast, okay? Let's have fun, man. Let's do this together. Let's grow together. Let's have fun together. And let's see how these beds grow. Yes, beautiful. I bought her a new snack and she found it, okay? You know, things you try to do for your kids that they figure out by themselves. Anyway, that's not what this is all about. This is about the garden. It's growing, 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 growing. All right, love you people. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.